So in today's video we shall discuss or explain the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So basically we should start what x-intercept is. When we draw the Cartesian plane, this should be the y-axis and this is the x-axis. A point that is on the x-axis we say to be has an x-intercept, and therefore if this point has a coordinate xy, then the value of y will be 0. That's now that we say that point has an x-intercept. If a point is located on the y-axis, let's say that is xy, the coordinate xy, we say that this point has a y-intercept, the value of x is 0. So that's it. Now in this equation, for us to find this equation, we shall first of all find the coordinates of the point. So at the x-intercept is -3, which means that the y is 0. Let's call that one point A. And secondly, the y-intercept is 6, which means the value of x is 0. So we'll have 0, 6, and let's call that one B. So that's it. If we have these 2 points now, it reminds us what we did in some of the previous videos, where we are supposed to find the equation of a line using 2 points. First we have to get the slope or the gradient of these 2 points. We use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which means that we designate this one x1 and this one y1, and designate this one x2 and this one y2. So substituting, we get 6 minus y1 0 divided by 0, which is x2, minus, and then x1 has also another negative. So in integers, a negative followed by a negative will be positive. We shall have 6 over 0 plus 3, which is 3. That gives us the gradient as 2. Now once we get the slope, we choose any of the points, either A or B. Let's choose B with the coordinate 0, 6. The gradient, let's call it M with the 2, and then choose another general point, let's say P with the coordinate xy. So we shall find the equation using these 3 items. So let's use this formula to get the equation. In the previous video we've used this formula. I recommend you go back to some of my videos and check it out. So the formula is y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. You use this formula when you're given a point, a gradient, to find the equation of now that line. So x1 will be 0 and y1 will be 6, and x and y are the general points we have chosen. So we have y minus 6 is equal to m, which we are given 2, x minus x1 6, 0, x1 is 0. Okay, so we'll have y minus 6, we open this bracket, 2x minus 0, y minus 6 equal to 2x, then we take this one to the other side, y equals to 2x plus 6. If you have any questions regarding this example, I'll be very happy if you post it on the comment section and I will answer your question.